In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to withdraw from Piggyvest. So let's say, for example, I have 2,000 naira in my balance and I want to withdraw that money from my Piggyvest account. So all I just need to do is just log into my Piggyvest account. So then I'm gonna go to the next option, which is the account down below. Once you click on account, you're gonna see a page like this. So this is my own account, so you're gonna be seeing the same features. So just scroll all the way down, then you can see withdraw funds. So just click on that withdraw funds under referral. So you can see select a wallet to withdraw funds. So you can see I have Flex Naira, which is between withdraw once in 10 hours. So if you withdraw now, you can only withdraw in the next 10 hours again. So you can see how it works. So basically, I have money in my Flex Naira. I don't have money in the piggy bank. So if I click on this right here, it's gonna pop up. Then you can see Flex, withdraw from Flex. You can see right there amount to withdraw for now. Minimum is 2,000 naira as they stated. So select put in the amount you want to withdraw. Then destination of fund is Stanbic Bank. So you can see I have Stanbic Bank in my account. So you also have your own bank that you link. You're gonna see your bank right there. So once you scroll down, they're gonna ask you for your security answer. When you are actually registering creating your account, you will be asked for your security question and answer. So you can select the best one, then you know your answer. So once you click on that, just click on withdraw, and then the money will be withdrawn. You're gonna pop up to verify, maybe input your PIN or fingerprint or face ID to verify the account ownership. So once you do that, the money will be deposited into your bank that you selected on the destination of fund, just like that, and you will receive the money instantly. Yeah.